when other people talk about you, it's better, way more authoritative than you talking about how good you are.
Yeah, 100%.
What if Frankie, I said, I'm the world's #1 in Facebook ads. I've spent $1 billion since May of 2007. I've run this dollar a day principle across the largest of companies and the smallest of companies. I have a best-selling book on this. I have training all over, whether it's through HubSpot or Infusionsoft or GoDaddy or whatever it is. And I'm really good at Facebook ads. So let's just say that's A. And B is I've got Ken Hardison of Pilma talking about how good I am on video at his mastermind in webinars. I have Ali Awad, I have Ethan Ostroff, I have all the other top guys who are lawyers saying how good our techniques are, and them talking about the results that they drive, and them sharing how they are using our techniques to drive more real leads that turn into cases using social media ads, using Google ads, using SEO. And I say nothing, but they're just talking about the results that they got. What's more powerful?
Yeah, 1000%, of course.
But when they're talking about it, it's not a testimonial. Here's what I do. I have their explicit permission. So Ken runs Pilma for personal injury attorneys.
For those of you guys who don't know, because obviously we're talking a little bit niche specific, but there's one of these in every kind of local niche. Pilma is one of the big conferences for injury lawyers. So it's a big association. There's like a coaching and a mastermind, and there's something like that, whether you're working with dentists, real estate agents, doesn't matter who, there's a version of this in every industry.
Yep. So Ken approached me at the end of, well, I just got off stage speaking at Ali's event, and he said, we got to work together. I really need some help with my digital marketing, my SEO and all this. I don't understand all this, and I know that you're the guy. I said, okay. So we took him on, and a few months later, we started generating these great results. So this is one of our guys submitting one of their daily reports, and we have tons and tons of these. And we found these mistakes, and we started fixing them. So this, in examples like fixing 404s, we're using these different tools. We're editing the links. We're just fixing the SEO, okay? All these things that are broken. And we can show that we're getting more traffic. We can show that things are getting better, right? We're driving more signups for his mastermind or whatever it is that we're trying to do. And if I do a search on this, I can see there are tons and tons of these reports. And we then turn these reports, here is a recent SEO performance report. Oh, here it is. I'm not going to download the file. But this, what we showed and taught later at Pilma's mastermind, because he invited us to speak. We spoke at Ken's Internet Domination Bootcamp. We're literally showing off Ken's results. And I said, Ken, is it okay if we show off how bad your SEO was and how bad your social media was before? And then what we did, oh, Dennis, absolutely, show everyone. I don't mind. I don't have a big ego. Go ahead and show what you fixed. And they said, well, it's like this and like this and like this.